Good morning, students. As you know, our revision is going on, and yesterday we have revised chapter 1. Today we will revise chapter 2, that is addition. So children, the topic which we have discussed under this chapter 2 addition, this we will again discuss it, and if you will have any query, then you can ask me in the group. So children, first topic was terms used in addition. The terms which we are using in addition, that we have to learn. So there are two terms that we are using in addition. They are addends and sum. The number that we add are called addends. The answer we get after addition of the number is called sum. So the numbers which we are adding, these two numbers, these both are addends, and after adding these two numbers, these two addends, the result come, that is called sum. क्लियर है? दो टर्म्स है, एक एडेंड्स दूसरा सम. सो दो जो नंबर को ऐड करते हैं दैट इज एडेंड्स, और जो ऐड करने के बाद सम आंसर निकल कर के आता है दैट इज सम. नाउ प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एडिशन. So there were three properties of addition properties. First is order properties of addition, grouping properties of addition, and the third is zero properties of addition. Once again you can see order property, grouping property, and zero property of addition. So these three properties we have learned in addition. Now we will discuss these properties in deep. First is order property of addition. In this we can change the order of the number of the addends in addition. In addition we can change the order of the addends. The sum will be same. जैसे यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है 182 plus 316 and the sum is 498. So if we change the order of these addends, 316 we write first and 182 we write at the next. So then we will add, the answer will be, the sum will be same as the first one, 498, and here also 498. So 182 plus 316 is equal to 316 plus 182. So we can say that the addition is commutative, means it is exchangeable. इसको ऊपर नीचे ऑर्डर चेंज करके अगर ऐड करते हैं तो आंसर हमारा सेम ही आएगा. सो वी कैन चेंज द ऑर्डर ऑफ द एडेंड्स. सेकेंड इज ग्रुपिंग प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एडिशन. सो if the three addends are given, in this example you can see 40 plus 50 plus 20. So if we have added 40 and 50 first, so 40 plus 50 is 90 and 90 plus 20 is 110. If we change the grouping, so first we will add, if we have added first 50 plus 20, so 50 plus 20 is 70 and 40 plus 70 is also 110. So in addition we can change the group when we are adding. So the answer will come same only. So we can say that the addition is associative. We can change the group of the numbers. Now zero property of addition. When we add 0 in any number, answer will be same. As you can say, the example is given 315 plus 0, answer will be 315 only. Or first we will write 0, then 315, then the answer will be same, that is 315. For example, you can see 0 plus 315, answer is 315 only. So these three properties are clear. Now we will see addition. Addition meaning addition of a number can be done easily by arranging them according to their place values. So when we are doing addition, first we arrange the addends according to their place value, then we add it. हमेशा ऐड करने के पहले उसको उसके प्लेस वैल्यू के अकॉर्डिंग राइट टू लेफ्ट अरेंज करते हैं, देन उसको ऐड करते हैं. वी डोंट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम लेफ्ट साइड, वी ऑलवेज स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द वंस साइड. सो क्लियर है एडिशन का मतलब. सो इफ़ after this much, if you are having any problem in any exercise, any of the exercise given in addition, this chapter 2, you can ask me on group. Thank you and have a nice day.